baby. Hi. Hey, Munchkin. Baby. There you smile. There you are. That's beautiful, baby. Yeah. Beautiful smile.
Oh, and you're free. Oh, I got you again. I got you. You nice and warm?
The usual Sunday morning lineup.
Are you videoing me?
Yeah. Hey, you two having fun? Who's that, baby? Do you have a shower? We're gonna go for a walk with Daddy? Go for a walk?
Woohoo!
Yay!
Such a beautiful day.
It's a perfect day. And there's no one around. So, pretty good. And we transitioned Will into his big pram, big boy seat, huh? Where are you, baby? Can't see you. There you are. How you feeling?
Halfway there.
I'm hot.
It's a humid day today. Baby is sweaty like his mama.
But he's sleeping.
Glossy.
But he's sleeping. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
I love these walks. I like getting outside. Lord help us if we have to go into some sort of lockdown. It's hot.
Quick water break. Your water bottle matches your watch.
And my phone. And my face.
How cute.
Need some water?
No thanks.
This is my return to pre-baby body workout at the moment. Gotta work my way up to being able to run, and then be able to run 10k. That's the goal. That's this year's goal, is to be able to run 10k again.
This year?
Yeah, I want to be able to do it. And Joe says it like that because when he came, not Joe, when Will came out of me, he got stuck in my pelvic bone and it hurt really bad and bruised it really bad, and I couldn't walk for a really long time properly. And so I feel like it's March, mid-March? It's mid-March now, and I'm able to do like a power walk. Not like for a whole 5k, but I'm getting there. So I reckon by the end of the year, I want to be able to do 10k. I should definitely be able to run. But I guess sometimes, what's the big fat ugly goal? What's that thing? BFG, big fat goal? Is that something you would say?
BHAG.
BHAG.
Big hairy audacious goal.
Big hairy audacious goal. A goal that seems ridiculous, and yeah, maybe you might not achieve it, but that's what you're working towards. That's what I'm working towards.
You can do it.
And try. Do my best. I might need to get a runner friend so I don't trip over our baby. It's just done 2 hours? Wait, I can tell you. We have done 5.98 kilometers in 80 minutes. That's alright. So what's that? An hour and 20.
Good job.
Yeah, it's good. Hot, but good.
That's my favorite competitor. Just say the word, I'll put Cal off the Donegal team and replace him with you. You know I can hear you, right? I'm right here.
Disney all the time. I love Disney, huh?
Create a virtual racing experience so real, racers never even have to go outside.
Hey, baby.
Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.